So I've recently discovered something. I had like this noise going on with my Korg NTS1. I could hear some noise in the background. You actually see that noise there? Can you hear it? And turn it off, you can actually hear the noise. And I wasn't actually sure what it was. I was really worried that there was something wrong with my NTS1. I never actually had any other similar noise like that, but if you turn it off, you actually listen. Hear it changing. I was like really worried there was something wrong with my synth, so I got in touch with Korg and I was kind of panicking a bit, and the someone from tech support got back to me and basically said, don't worry, I think it's a ground loop problem. You just need a ground loop isolator, which will only cost a couple of quid and will solve the problem. I was like, I've never even heard of this. So he sent me a link to a company called Kenable. Sorry, Kenable. I can't even say it. I choke when I'm saying it. And yeah, there it is. Kenable. It's cable. Anyway, it was just a couple of quid, and basically, look, so you've got a female to male, and all you've got to do is connect it to your synth audio output. So let's do it now. Okay, right, so we're all connected. So there's the Korg NTS1 on the headphone socket. Now the headphone socket, follow it round, goes into the ground isolator little doodad, which I got for a few quid from Kenable. Just go online, go search them online, and coming out of there, that then connects to my audio cable, which basically goes right round over here and goes to the back of my sound card. So we're all connected now, and if you look, literally no noise, but watch. There you go. So literally no noise. So it gets rid of the ground loop noise, and it's, as I say, I think it was £3 something, £2 for postage, and it's all working. So if you've got any synths which have weird noise going on in the background, it's the ground loop which is causing it. So you just need one of these, cheap, cheerful, and sorts it. So thanks Korg, thanks Kenable. How do you say it? I don't know how to say it. And yeah, nailed it. All working. Literally no sound until obviously